Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another delicious recipe video. Today, we're going to whip up a mouth-watering green bean casserole with chicken and cheese. This dish is not only scrumptious, but it's also packed with flavor thanks to the garlic, ginger, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and chicken. So, let's get started. First, we'll need to prepare our green beans. Start by washing them thoroughly. Next, cut off the ends and slice them into bite-sized pieces. Once they're ready, toss them into a pot with some vegetable oil and salt. Give them a quick stir and let them cook for a few minutes. While the green beans are cooking, it's time to prepare the chicken. Grab a chicken breast and cut it into small cubes. Season it with salt and pepper to taste. In a separate pan, heat up some vegetable oil and cook the chicken until it's golden brown and fully cooked. Now, let's bring it all together. In a bowl, combine the cooked green beans, chicken, and your choice of cheese. I'm using a blend of cheddar and mozzarella for extra cheesy goodness. Give everything a good mix and then transfer the mixture into a baking dish. Next, let's add some flavor. In a small bowl, mix together garlic, ginger, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. Drizzle this delicious sauce over the green bean and chicken mixture. Finally, pop the baking dish into the oven and bake until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Once it's done, let it cool for a few minutes before digging in. And there you have it, folks. A delightful green bean casserole with chicken and cheese, perfect for any meal. Give this recipe a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!